Sit back, relax, grab a drink, and let's open up the Stitch Fix box together. So as you can see, I already opened the package, but I haven't looked inside yet to see what we got. So let's do it together. Got my little note here. Oh, hello. Why do I like that? Every time I like that. Okay, here we go. I'm seeing, it looks like we got some shoes, which I actually think is kind of fun just because shoes just one of those things that you always are going to be wearing. Okay, let's see what these look like. I think shoes are kind of fun because it can maybe get you to get something you wouldn't maybe buy beforehand. So let's see. Ooh, these are cute little booties. I like the color. And they seem like they'll be kind of comfortable. Let me see. Let me pull the stuffing. Oh yeah, there's a cush. I kind of had a feeling. Yes. Okay, and there's a zipper here on the side. Probably will make it easier to get on and off. And these are 10 wide and they are $75 from the brand Diba. Never heard of that brand before, but they definitely look cute and they look like they're constructed well. So we will see how they fit in the try-on portion. Let's see what else we got. I see a lot of beautiful fall colors. That's what I do see. Ooh, and I feel something fuzzy in there, which is almost kind of weird when you're like reaching into a box though. Here is the colors that we got and patterns. Now let's dive in. Ooh. Okay, hello little top. I like this top. It looks very cute. It has a tiered bottom, which is cool. And this is from Michael Kors, actually. Nice. And it's in a 3X and $68. It's soft. The back is like stretchy, but then the front here is like a more of a chiffon blousey material with really like no stretch here. So we will see how this looks, but it definitely looks like a nice top, like a little more dressy. So could be really good. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I love the brand Hiatus. That's like one of my favorite brands as far as Stitch Fix, and even just like Nordstrom's, I know they sell it too. I don't know, I really like it. This is in a 3X and it is $38. Cute. It just says weekend. Okay, well that's cute. I mean, I'm not in love with the graphic design of the Weekend, to be honest. I love this brand and I love how soft it is. It might just turn me around. We'll see. Ooh, this looks pretty. Ooh, it's a dress. Ooh, this is pretty. Like, we got some nice shades of blue in there in the florals, and then it's a beautiful deep red, like almost burgundy. And it's by the brand Donna Morgan. And it is in a size 24, and it is $78. This is beautiful. Oh, yeah. I like this dress. I think this is going to look really cute on. The colors are just stunning. So I'm excited to try this. We have a lot of blues and burgundies is what I'm seeing in this box. And our last piece. Okay, is it a vest? It is. It is a black vest. Oh, is it reversible? Wait, what is it? Okay, it's by the brand Mocha. And it's a faux shearling vest in a 3X, $78. Okay, so it has the shearling in the inside. Ooh, and it's really pretty, like, it's kind of has like a metallic sheen to it. So that's super fun. Like, hello, fabulous. I like that. Okay, well, let's try the stuff on and see what we think of the fits. So here is that vest. I love the vest. It's so soft. The pockets are nice. It's very cute. Look how cute it looks. It's comfortable. Like, really, what more do you want? This is just a bodycon dress that I already own that I just popped this over. Oh yeah, I like this. I love that it has that metallic sheen because it kind of just gives like a little rock and roll vibe, which I highly appreciate. Yeah, hey, I love rock and roll. Ooh, I'm loving you. Oh my gosh. I had a feeling this dress was going to be good, and it definitely is good. It's so comfortable. The fit is like perfect. It fits me like a glove. I love the wrap. I just kind of tied it over to the side and just let it hang. So cute. I love that it's not like too low cut. And of course you could add like a little cami if you wanted it to be a little bit higher than that, but so cute. It's a nice length too. It's like just below the knee, just. So very, very cute. The colors, like, I absolutely love these colors together. They're just fun for something different. And I like that the sleeve is a flutter sleeve. That's so nice for like you're busy moving around. You kind of just get like a nice little breeze up there. You're not going to be getting too hot. And I mean, I feel like this, it would be easily translated into all year round, but the color palette is definitely very fall and winter, so it's perfect for this time of year. Absolutely love it. Let me try those little booties on with it so we can see. Here's the boot. I'm not in love. They're cute. I only tried the one because they're a little bit snug, so it was pretty hard to get on. They're pretty tight to the foot. They are wide, but they're not like a torrid wide. You know, if you remember Payless, which I think they're like nowhere anymore, but Payless is wide, where it was wide but it wasn't like super wide. This is that. So if you don't have a super wide foot, this could work for you. It's definitely, like I said, cute and everything, but it's just not the most comfortable shoe for me personally. So nah. Like I already figured, this top is very soft, very comfortable. I like the length. I mean, it's just perfect. This brand is always very comfortable, and it's just a great casual kind of t-shirt. You know, put jackets over, whatever. But it's just super soft and super comfortable. It feels like you're wearing jammies, and I love that about this brand. I do really like this, and I like the quarter length sleeve because I don't actually have a lot of quarter length sleeve. Very cute. This is one thing that I have to say that I like about Stitch Fix is I actually asked my stylist on my next box to send me some things that are a little bit longer, and she definitely came through because this top is definitely longer. It has this extra length here, which I love. I love the fit of this top actually. I think it looks really cute. The color is great. I mean, super cute. And actually with that vest would be cute over this too, and maybe some jeans, or even if I could pull out my pleather little leggings, that could be a really fun edgy little vibe. So I like this top overall. I like the layered look here. I think that's kind of fun. I like that there's the V, but it's not like crazy. So this could be a very like businessy top as well. So I love this one. So I think you already know that vest and that dress are gonna be mine. Everything fit good. It was all comfortable. And if I decide to keep the whole box, $252 with the buy all discount. So that is not too bad considering just the vest is almost $80. It's always a better value with these boxes to keep the whole box. But you know, if I just wanted to keep just the vest as one of my like more standout pieces, of course that's just going to kind of be personal preference of what you like the most and what you think is like worth it. I'm really happy with these items overall, and the box was fun and definitely different because I probably wouldn't have picked the vest, but I really love the vest. So that's what I do love about these type of boxes. I just think they're really fun. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before for yourself, you can do so using the link in my description box below, and you will get your first styling fee waived. That $20 to $5 fee will be waived, which is so awesome because you really have nothing to lose by your first box. You could try it out. If you don't like anything, you can return it, no cost to you at all. So I highly recommend giving it a try. It's definitely fun no matter what. And I think one good thing about Stitch Fix is every time that you kind of like rate them and like do the surveys, they start to get to know your style more and more every single time. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment below your favorite item or items, and remember to just be you. Bye guys. So this video's song is Quicker Than a Ray of Light. Comment below if you know that song. I loved reading your guys' comments in the last video. We gonna stitch it together. I love it when we're stitching together. Music is made for love. Why is this song stuck in my head? I'm like, the song that I made up all by myself.